Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making this little fish, the sleepy fish right here. And this is part of set 10704, which has really colorful bricks. Look at all the different types of yellow over here. You have this type, you have that type. You have light ones, you have the light ones, you have the darkish ones, you have the normal ones, all sorts of yellow. So let's get started by taking our fish apart. Alright, so now we've got all our pieces taken apart. So now I'm going to show you all the pieces you'll need. So you'll need 2 of these 1x3 ramps. And all of these pieces are yellow, just so you know. 1 of these 2x4 flat pieces. One of these 2x3 pieces. 4 of these 1x1 snot hole pieces. And then there's 6 of these, well, 2 of these 1x6 pieces that are like this angle. And there's 1 2x8 flat piece. 1 of these 2x3 angle pieces. 2 of these 2x2 slope pieces. 2 of these 2x2 inverted slope pieces. 3 of these jumper plates. 1 cheese piece. Another 1x2 goes over here. This ramp. This 2x2 ramp. And then these small 1x2 ramp pieces with these white circular plates. So now let's get started. First, you're gonna need this 2x8 flat piece, and you're gonna place this 2x3 in here, and this 1x2 piece right here. And then get a 2x2 and put it here. And now we're gonna place these snot hole pieces on the side like this. And then we'll get our ramps. Let's move that aside a little more. Put our ramps onto here. Flip it over, and now we need this 2x2 inverted slope. And then we're gonna need these angle pieces. Gonna put them right here and here, like this. And then we're gonna place this angle piece right here. And now we're gonna work on something separate. Kind of a distraction. Maybe not. Actually, it's not a distraction. It's just part of what we're building. But we're gonna make this shape with our 2x2 inverted, well, slopes. And then we're gonna put this cheese piece here and this jumper plate right here. and we place it right on the back, and we're gonna put this piece right there. Now we're gonna place this ramp piece right here, and then get 2 of your jumper plates to the last of them, and then get an inverted slope piece, put it right here, and now let's put this long piece right here, and we'll get our eyes. It used to be our fish used to be sleepy, but let's make it excited. There. And then let's get these small flappy pieces, these little small pieces, and our fish is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.